Students, now I define another question of Laplace transformation. That is, you have to solve the Laplace transformation by using the scale property. Yes, that is a big question like that. If Laplace ft, yes, this is equal to 20 minus 4s divided by s square minus 4s plus 20. Yes, now applying the change of scale property, the change of scale property yes, applying the change property, evaluate Laplace f3t. Yes, yes, this is the question for the scalar property of the Laplace question. Okay, now we start from the here. Yes, that is from the Laplace property, Laplace scale property. Yes, you can write the change of scale property is that if yes, Laplace ft, this is equal to small fs, then Laplace f of at, yes, this is equal to 1 by a f of s by a. Yes, last lecture I have proved this scale property. Yes, so we have using here. Yes, now according to your question, it is given that Laplace ft is equal to this thing, and now you by this property you can find out this one. Yes, now if Laplace ft, yes, this is equal to, is the given is 20 minus 4s divided by s square minus 4s plus 20. Let us suppose that, yes, according to the scalar property, here is small fs. Yes, because Laplace ft is equal to f of s. Yes, clear? Now, and now you can find out the and according to the property, Laplace f of at is equal to 1 by a f of s by a. And here in this question, you can evaluate Laplace f3t. Yes, therefore, yes, then according to the property, Laplace f3t, here is a is, comparing from this scalar property, a is 3. Yes, so this can be written as f1 by 3, yes, f of s by 3. Yes, clear? Yes, so now here f of s is this one. So now you obtain, so f of s by 3, yes, this can be written as, yes, this can be written as 1 by 3, and f of s by 3, here f of s is this one, so this is 40 minus whole thing is 4s by 3. Yes, clear? And now divided by here s square. So here is also s by 3 square. Yes, minus 4 s by 3 plus 20. Okay. Now I think you can solve this problem here. Yes. So this is again is equal to solving this. You can 1 by 3 here is, and here is 40 minus here is sorry. Yeah, the question is given as f of t is equal to 20 minus s, not 40 but 20. Yes, not 40. So here is also 20. Yes, here is given as 20 minus 4s. If 40, then you can also do. Okay. If 40, then if 20, 60. Yes, minus 4s. Yes, and divided by 3, you can solve with this, and then this is also equal to this s square minus 12s, yes, plus 180, yes, and this by 1 by 3, that is 3 is here. 3 square, 3 is cancelled out, so this can again, this is equal to, yes, or you can say that 4 of 15, yes, minus s divided by s square minus 12s plus 180. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so I think you can solve so many questions by using the scalar property, change of scalar property. L of ft is given, and then what about they want to ask you, that is if f of 2t, then you substituting f of s by 2 like that, f of 5t, then a is 5, and so you substituting here, and similarly on the same way you can obtain this property. Yes, okay, thank you beta. Yes, now we I think we solve the next type of the problem, that is we find the Laplace transform of derivative. Yes, next we define the property of Laplace transform of derivative. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. Now we define the Laplace. Yes, Laplace transform derivative. Yes, and these are defined as there are different types of the property, that is if Laplace ft, yes, this is equal to f mod f of s, then yes, first one is you have to solve Laplace, yes, Laplace f dash t, yes, this is equal to s f of s minus, yes, f of 0, yes, f of s minus f of different types of that is you can say that f of 0. Yes, first I want to solve this problem. Yes, this is the problem, just like a Laplace transform you applying here is to prove this. Yes, yeah, this result you can prove. Yes, proving this result. Yes, proof of this result. Yes, Now you are applying the main property of the Laplace transform, that is Laplace f of t according to our definition, you know, which is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, yes, ft dt. Okay, yes, and you have to f dash t, yes, so we apply here is Laplace f dash t. Okay, so here is again can be written as 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and here is again f dash t dt. Yes, clear? And you know, now you apply the indefinite properties, yes, and this can be, this is, you can find out the integration of this is, though you can first term, second term, applying this you get the, this is equal to e to the power minus st, yes, and also you differentiation, so the integration of this is f of t. Okay, and now the limit from 0 to infinity, yes, and now minus of, yes, 0 to infinity, and differentiation of this term minus of s, yes, you know, minus of f e to the power minus st. Okay, and integration of this term f of t and dt. Yes, clear? Okay, and now and this become, applying the limit, this is equal to f of 0. Okay, and here is minus s minus minus plus, yes, so s, and this is become now the 0 to infinity and e to the power minus st ft dt, and here is it given as, this is Laplace, this one is equal to small fs, yes, this is given Laplace ft is equal to f of s, yes, then this can be written as, this is equal to f0, yes, and this can be written as f of s, so this is here is taking this limit, this is minus of f of 0, yeah, this one minus infinity and now 0, so here is this become 0 1, so this is minus of this one, yes, plus s f of s, or you can say that s, yes, f of s minus f of 0, yes, this is the Laplace of f dash t, this is the first property. Okay, similarly you can obtain the second derivative of this now, so on. Yes, on the next video I will define you the second derivative of this. Okay, yes, thank you.